Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you enjoy these videos, make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. Also, remember that this is just my personal experience with the product. Today, we're taking a closer look at Trust Wallet. You can find it online at https://trustwallet.com. Trust Wallet is a mobile cryptocurrency wallet that offers a secure and straightforward way to store, manage, and exchange your digital assets. It provides a platform for users to interact with a variety of blockchains and decentralized applications, DApps. One of the key features of Trust Wallet is its emphasis on user privacy and control. The wallet is non-custodial, meaning that you, the user, retain full ownership of your private keys. This gives you complete control over your funds, as opposed to relying on a third party. Furthermore, Trust Wallet boasts a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for those new to the world of cryptocurrencies. Navigating the app is intuitive and designed for ease of use. You can easily send and receive a wide range of cryptocurrencies, track your portfolio's performance, and even participate in decentralized finance, DeFi, activities directly through the wallet's built-in browser. This browser allows you to connect to various DApps seamlessly and securely, opening up a world of possibilities within the decentralized ecosystem. Trust Wallet supports an extensive list of cryptocurrencies and tokens, ensuring compatibility with a vast majority of the digital asset market. This broad support eliminates the need for multiple wallets, simplifying your crypto management experience. Security is paramount in the cryptocurrency space, and Trust Wallet addresses this with several robust features. The app utilizes industry-standard encryption and security protocols to protect user funds. With Trust Wallet, you can have peace of mind knowing that your assets are safeguarded against potential threats. Beyond storage and management, Trust Wallet also facilitates the buying and selling of cryptocurrencies. You can conveniently purchase crypto directly within the app, making it a one-stop shop for all your cryptocurrency needs. This streamlined process eliminates the complexities often associated with acquiring digital assets. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or just starting your journey into the world of digital currencies, Trust Wallet offers a versatile and secure platform to manage your assets. It combines user-friendliness with powerful features, providing a comprehensive solution for all your cryptocurrency needs.